Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a snowman that lights up. It is also called a fishbowl snowman. I'm going to turn off the light so you can see how it works. Let's get started. To do it, we will need 2 fish bowls, one bigger than the other. We will put one on top of the other. We also need fairy lights. For clothes, to make the clothes, I will use an old t-shirt and an old sweater. You can, if you prefer, paint it, but I prefer to wrap it with a cloth because I can use the fishbowl later again. Okay, then let's begin. The first things to do is put the t-shirt around the small fish tank. That will be the head of our snowman. I calculate how much I need. I am using the sleeve of the shirt and I cut it. Look at these little rubbers. I will use one to fix it. You can use glue or sew it if you prefer. Once we fix, we cut the excess and we have it ready. We don't put anything in the top, just place it, just fold it. Okay, let's go with the other, the bigger fishbowl. Okay, we cut again, but now we cannot use rubber because we need to, this is the bottom part, it is not so easy. Then what we do is to glue it with a little hot glue. And I will make a little support for the base. You can use a roll of toilet paper, you cut a piece and that's enough to make the base, or you can use another kind of base. I will use a square. Now the bottom part is more stable. I fix it and later on I will decorate it. And we have now the 2 parts of the snowman. One goes inside the other. But before stick it, we will place the lights inside. We begin with the lights of the fish tank, of the small fish tank, fishbowl, and then we place the others in the big one. Once we finish, look, we place one on the top of the other, and we have 2 little wires on the back of my snowman. Then I've tried the lights to understand if it works or not, and once that I know that are working, what I do is to stick it, to glue it. Let's dress our snowman. Then for that I will use the sweater. What I do is to cut a piece of the sleeve, and look, it is so easy. I will use the little rubber to fix the upper part, and once we finish it seems like a pom-pom. You can place it like this, or you can turn it over. Okay, it's up to you what you prefer. I prefer with the pom-pom. Okay, we will make a scarf too to hide the small wrinkles. You can also put buttons or where you want. I will place a little piece of cotton to make the nose, and you can leave like this, but you can place some moving eyes if you want, and a mouth. I have placed the half of a rubber to make the mouth, and that's all. I will decorate the base with a green tinsel, and that's all. I hope you like it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!